Hello, this is Artifacts of Mars. Canadian military is investigating a strange pinging sound at the bottom of the sea in the Arctic. Um, the sound, which has also been described as a hum and a beat, has been apparently spooking the wildlife in the Fury and Hecla Strait. Paul Quassa, a member of the Legislative Assembly, said the noise was emanating from the seafloor. It's one of the major hunting areas in the summer and winter, and this time around, this summer there are hardly any. That's because this became a suspicious thing. The military said it's investigating what's causing the sound. The Department of National Defense has been informed of the strange noises emanated in the Fury and Hecla Strait area, and Canadian Armed Forces are taking appropriate steps to actively investigate the situation, Armed Forces spokesperson told CBC News. Well, part of the National Defense internal correspondence suggested submarines are not considered likely a source of the noise, but had not been ruled out, broadcasters said. Internal correspondence between sources in the Department of National Defense obtained by the CBC News suggests submarines were not immediately ruled out, but were also not considered likely cause. George Qulout, another member of the Legislative Assembly, they also noticed lack of wildlife. That passage is migratory routine route for bullhead whales and also bearded seals and ring seals. There would be so many in that particular area. He told CBC News, recalling his own days of hunting there. This summer there was none. Well, the argument against this being, I know why you might be afraid of a boomer submarine, like a Russian submarine. But, like they said, that's very unlikely. The reason it's unlikely is, why would they announce our presence if they were getting ready to do something? So probably not. The question is, what is it? We're going to have to wait and see if this story develops into anything. The pinging has prompted much speculation. Some have blamed Baffin Land Iron Mines Corporation, which has previously conducted sonar surveys nearby. However, the company felt it was not conducting any surveys in the area and had no equipment in the water, CBC News reported. Others have suggested Greenpeace might have caused the sound to scare the wildlife away from rich hunting ground, the allegation which the environmentalist group denied. Well, nothing more to really do here other than wait to see what they find out and if they share it with us. I'll update the story if we find anything out. I'm Artifacts of Mars. Thanks for watching, and let's hope it's not.